Welcome to our Ultimate Graphics Card Showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most powerful offerings from Gigabyte: the GeForce RTX 4090 and the RTX 4070 Super. With cutting-edge technology and impressive specifications, these cards are designed for serious gamers and professionals alike. We'll explore their performance, pricing, and cooling capabilities to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 is a powerhouse, delivering exceptional performance at 4K resolution, making it the go-to choice for gamers who demand the best. With 24 GB of GDDR6X memory and 16,384 CUDA cores, it can handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. On the other hand, the RTX 4070 Super, while not as powerful, still offers impressive performance for 1440p gaming, thanks to its 12 GB of GDDR6X memory and 7,680 CUDA cores. It's a fantastic option for gamers looking for a balance between performance and price. When it comes to pricing, the RTX 4090 comes with a hefty price tag of $1,799, reflecting its status as a top-tier graphics card. In contrast, the RTX 4070 Super is priced at a more accessible $599, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers who still want solid performance without breaking the bank. This significant price difference is a crucial factor for many consumers when choosing between these two models. Both graphics cards utilize GIGABYTE's WindForce 3X cooling system, designed to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. The RTX 4090's robust cooling system ensures optimal performance even under heavy loads, while the RTX 4070 Super also maintains efficient cooling, albeit with lower power consumption. This makes both cards suitable for long gaming sessions without overheating, but the RTX 4090 excels in thermal management due to its larger size and advanced design. In conclusion, the choice between the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 and the RTX 4070 Super ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for unparalleled performance and are willing to invest, the RTX 4090 is the clear winner. However, for gamers seeking excellent value and solid performance at 1440p, the RTX 4070 Super is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.